exploring the Apple Vision Pro, a revolutionary AR/VR headset. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Buyer's Guide. Today, we have something truly groundbreaking, the Apple Vision Pro, Apple's first ever AR/VR headset. Is this the future of computing? Let's dive in. Key points. Premium build, sleek aluminum frame, curved glass, and soft headband. Eyesight feature. Shows your eyes when someone approaches, making interactions more natural. Compact but powerful. A dedicated M2 chip and R1 chip for smooth performance. Key points. Incredible clarity. 2 4K OLED displays delivering lifelike visuals. No controllers needed. Navigate with just your eyes and hands. Sounds feel like they come from the real world. Of different use cases, gaming, work, FaceTime, and media consumption. Key points. Entertainment, watch movies on a giant virtual screen. Productivity, virtual multi-monitor setup for Mac users. Immersive VR games powered by Apple's ecosystem. FaceTime and your digital avatar interacts in virtual meetings. Downside. Pros. Stunning display and immersive experience. Seamless Apple ecosystem integration. Innovative eye and hand tracking. Cons. Price, $3,999, not for everyone. Battery life, 2 hours on an external pack. Is it worth it? Tell us in the comments. So is the Apple Vision Pro the future of AR and VR? Let us know your thoughts below. And if you're interested in buying one, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Link to buy in description.